Hello everyone, welcome back to IndianCoding.com. Today we are going to study about Python math. Python has a set of built-in math functions, including an extensive math module that allow you to perform the mathematical task on the number. So it will help you to provide the mathematical task that is very hard to do on the that is very difficult to do normally. So it will provide you the minimum and the maximum. This is one of the examples. So in case of the minimum and maximum, it will provide you the maximum or the minimum number. The another form it will provide you the absolute, that is the positive value of the specified number. The power of the number, what is the power you have given, so what will be the total number for that. This is one of the way how can you perform the math application inside the Python. So it will able to provide the all kinds of details, that mat.square root. So you can write the square root of any number and it will let you know what is the square root of that particular number, or what is the square root, what 64 is the square root of 8. So I will write one example. So I have written x is equal to maximum of 4 and 5. Print x. So it will provide me which number is the maximum here. So let me save this file and then we'll run this code. And then 5 is the maximum number. Okay, so this is how you can write it. Let me change it. Let me write minimum. So which one is the minimum? Which one is the lowest number here? So here, now on screen you can see that 4 is the lowest number that is available. So that's how you can write it. Now let me write the absolute for number. I will write minus 4. Now, what is the absolute for this? The absolute for this is 4, because absolute means the positive number of a particular number. So that is how you can write it. Now let me write import math and then x equal to square root math dot square root of any number. Okay, let me mention 64. So let's see, 64 is the square root of, how can you get that? So let me run this. So now 8 is the number, 64 is the square root of 8. So that is how you can write the different kind of numbers inside it, and you will be able to see the math for that. One more example is power. Okay, so let me write it. 2, 5. So let's see what we will get. We'll get 32. So 2 power 5 is equal to 32. So that's how you can create. That's all for today's class. Tomorrow we'll study about more features related to Python. Thank you so much.